This review is for Brio water filtration system. This is an amazing machine. It just works perfectly well for us, and the water tastes really good after we start using this. The installation is super easy. If you are a handy person, you can just install it by yourself from your refrigerator water line. I just use this water line and just took the water from the fridge and brought it here. This comes with it, but you would need to get this long pipe wherever you are going to take it from. And this has hot water, room temperature, and cold water, and it dispenses each individually. This has a child lock. In order to get water, you would just move this and then press it. And this has UV filtration system as well. It just takes care of the things with the UV. And this has 4 different filters, as you can see, 4 stage 1, 2, 3, and it's been almost 6-8 months we are constantly using, and it is performing well. We don't have any decrease in the taste, and the manufacturer recommends replacing the filter every 6 months and some gallon of I think 6,000 if I'm not wrong, after you reach that much. And you can also feel from the water taste. So the filters are easy to replace. I'm not gonna twist it right now, but once you twist it comes off. But before you do that, make sure there is no water coming. You have to shut the valve off, otherwise it's just gonna pour water everywhere. And it comes with this thing where you would just use this part to like pre-rinse your filter before you install it, to just get rid of all those things inside the filter and just clean it with the water. And the best feature is this has a system inside. Let's say there is a leak somewhere, there is a sensor, water sensor. Once it gets wet, it will shut the system off, and the water will shut down, and you would be safe from flood if something goes from the upper side. So which is really good feature. And there is a light here, as you can see here, like at night you can use and put your glasses and you will have some light. We definitely love this filter. I hope you like too.